If you always struggle with what to wear, you need to watch this because today I'll show you how to break free from fashion anxiety and make getting dressed simple, fun, and empowering. Hi, my name is Adiola, and if you're new here, I help people avoid common fashion mistakes and create a closet you can feel proud of without the pressure to be perfect or to follow every trend. Let's get right to it. Now, the first thing you need to do is to let go of the pressure to impress. Let's be real, so much of our overthinking comes from the pressure to impress others. But the truth is, most people aren't even paying attention as much as we think. What really matters is how you feel about yourself. So the next time you're in front of the mirror, ask yourself, does this make me feel good? Does this make me feel confident? If the answer is yes, that is all that matters. Every other thing is secondary. So stop worrying about creating a perfect outfit. The only approval you need is from yourself. You also need to release yourself from the fear of making mistakes. Here's the secret. Fashion isn't permanent. It is supposed to be playful, it's supposed to be experimental, and yes, it is supposed to be imperfect. So you're going to make mistakes, and that is okay. That's how you discover what works for you and your body. So if you wear something that doesn't feel right, don't beat yourself up about it. You're learning and it's a phase. As long as you make progress, that is all that matters. Instead, think of it as a valuable feedback from you to you, because style is a journey and mistakes are part of growth. The more you let yourself explore, the less you fear getting it wrong, because getting it wrong is all part of the process. Now, the third thing you need to do is to practice self-compassion. We need to be compassionate with ourselves. Why do we always have to beat ourselves up? But here is what I want you to remember. Nobody wakes up every day feeling 100% about their body, about their wardrobe, about their lives, in fact. So on days when self-doubt creeps in, give yourself grace. Grace to just be yourself is enough. So remind yourself that you are allowed to feel off sometimes, and it doesn't reflect your self-worth or who you are as an individual. Instead of asking, why don't I feel like that influencer? Why don't I look like that model even after buying the dress? Try asking yourself, what can I wear today that feels comforting and uplifting? Your self-talk matters more than the clothes themselves. So sis, you better start talking to yourself. Have that conversation in front of your mirror, because it is going to change a lot of things. Now, the next thing you need to do is to curate a feel-good wardrobe. You should have some pieces that they are just easily accessible to you. You need to create some outfits that are ready to go, especially for days when you have this decision fatigue. So even if you don't have a place you need to go to already, just have like 5 different outfits and accessories to match, so that on days when you feel tired, you just pick up any piece that goes with your mood and you are good to go. So this year we are getting organized, we are getting ready, not just ready in terms of our outfits, but ready in terms of our hair and other accessories. For example, I just style my hair in advance, I straighten my hair in advance, even when I don't have anywhere to go to, such that when I finally have where to go to, I am ready to move without thinking, oh, what would I wear? Oh, my hair is messed up. Oh, this and that, because that leads to overthinking and we start to panic in the moment. Also, another point you need to note is to stop comparing yourself to other people. One of the biggest style traps is comparison, and you'd agree with me that comparison is the thief of joy. We scroll through social media and think, oh, I wish I could pull that off. Oh, I wish I could just replicate this and it will look just the same on me. But we forget that this person's body is not the same with ours. This person's skin tone is not the same with ours. So it's not always going to look the same. Here is the thing. Style is not one size fits all, and it's not supposed to be. Instead of asking, how can I look like her? Ask yourself, what can I learn from our own style and make it my own? Because authenticity is key. So you need to own your style, you need to own your individuality. That is where true confidence comes in. You don't have to copy someone else, you just have to be yourself. And finally, let your mood guide you, guys. Our mood is really important in choosing pieces that we love for ourselves. Sometimes overthinking can come from trying to dress for a specific event or audience instead of how you are actually feeling. Now, I'm not saying that for a formal event you should wear a dress you should wear to a club. Of course, we should be able to decipher what is appropriate for each event, right? But you need to wear what balances your mood out such that you are not getting burnt out from just trying to pick an outfit. So when you dress for your mood, you are more likely to feel aligned and confident throughout the day. Remember, you need to show up as your authentic self. You don't need a perfect outfit to be worthy of confidence. You are already enough. And if you found this video useful, I believe you will also find this useful. And don't forget to share and subscribe with your friends. You are welcome.